Ravi, Ravi, Ravi. That, I'll just push the button. We'll turn on off because we're trying to conserve battery. Wow, look at that one.
When you're touching?
While I'm looking with your eyes.
Wow!
Beautiful.
Look, check it out.
Check it out. What's that? Look at those.
Hot.
And what's that? It's an old oven. The Atlas oven. Heather's kitchen. What's these?
Clock.
So many.
Tick-tock. Oh,
Look, what are
what's
those?
this?
Oh, looking. See? Stop.
A creatures.
They look like penguins.
This is
They look like penguins wearing modi. What bird?
Kiwi bird.
Look, that's a kiwi bird. That's not
the
a
what
kiwi
this
bird.
is? The one?
That's a New Zealand tiger bird. That's not a kiwi.
Call it kid.
It's here.
Come on.
Oh, it says it right here. I think it's the dancing bird. Does birds fly?
Has a number.
Hey.
Yeah, it has. Oh yeah, the little numbers. 6, 9, 8, 1. So that's 13. I think those are the birds.
Oh.
The acrylic one.
Oh.
Okay, all right, let's go. We'll go have a look. That's the telephone booth.
I do love fun.
Yeah, that's where the people go and make a phone call. Say hello.
Hello.
Turn me. What's in it? Oh. Donald Duck. He's 92 years old at the time. 34. 34. Wow. Look at that. Green stone.
Good job. I did it.
I'll be ready now. Okay. Okay, careful.
Do my house.
That's a baby. What the heck?
Do a house. House.
It's not a hose, it's a, it's, oh, look at that. It's a commode. A commode. Why is that the
I was just admiring the craftsmanship.
Look, boat.
Yeah, the museum.
Dad, boat. Go.
What I look at?
Wow, check it out.
What's this?
Oh, look to the left. Okay, look over here. Look. Yeah, look to the left.
Look, Sam. Wow.
No touching.
Wow, water.
Oh, the water's moving.
Water.
Come here, give me the camera. What's this, Huawei? It's a boat.
A boat. King a boat.
It's a
Yeah, you say?
King a boat.
How do you say kiwi?
Udan.
How do you know kiwi?
Go a gray cars.
Look at this boat.
Boat. King a boat. A check boat. up the stairs.
Not yet. No, you stay here with us.
There you go.
What else?
That's cool, eh?
I'm going to open the Marae outside. And then it's going to get looking to the Marae.
So cool, eh? It flows, so this floor is like here.
Miss Rachel, Mr. Aaron. Miss Rachel and Mr. Aaron. Wow.
Unbelievable. Land was measured in chains, 22 yards, and the surveyor's chains, not 20 meters. Interesting.
Mom, Dad, you're looking. Wow. Check it out. Oh, no touch. Oh, hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Oh, what's that?
Hi, good.
Oh, it's a sky? Is that how you say it? Sky?
Oh, uh-oh.
Oh, train. Look at that. Train leading.
Wow. Oh, excuse me.
Look at that. It's a big sign.
Big sign.
Oh, there's the right one.
We're going home.
There's the right one coming forward.
You have to go around.
Get down to the bottom.
It's up, actually.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's stairs. Alright. I'll raise it.
Hi, Julie.
That one's cool. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you, watchers.